Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video 20 if you're having a Toyota Camry, this generation right here from year 2015, 16 and 17. If you guys have one of those, you need to find where the fuse for the crankshaft position sensor is located, which fuse you need to check, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, engines, transmission, we show you how to do practically almost anything guys. We even do body works. We have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Now on Toyota Camry guys, if you have that generation, we'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Why we do all that? Due to the fact that if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your fuel pump fuse is located because your car cannot start. You can just watch that video, 1-2 minutes, you replace that fuse, that relay, you're back on the road and you're back in business guys, because otherwise if you don't have your service manual, it could be really complicated. Sometimes it's hard to find. There is abbreviations that most people do not know, so we try to make it really convenient for you. Another thing guys, if you need to buy parts, tools, fuses, relays, okay, you see that you have all these different kinds of fuses guys, okay, you have different kinds of relays, you have these special fuses by the way that look like this one here. Check this thing out. We will put the links in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time. So let's start on it now. The crankshaft position sensor fuse, where you can expect to find it, we will demonstrate on this 2017 Toyota Camry right here. You guys by the way have two different fuse boxes in this car. Today will work in just one. This is the fuse box that's under the hood. Go ahead, open the hood. Right here on the right side, if you face the engine, you will have that fuse box right here, engine fuse box. Open this cover. Once you guys do that, you will find a fuse box layout, engine fuse box layout that will look just like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. We will need to check specifically just one fuse, but that fuse specifically, it's not just for the crankshaft, it's for crankshaft, camshaft, it's also for oxygen sensor, muff sensor, multiple things guys. And where is that fuse located now? If you come right here in that row of fuses right there, the very first fuse that you see, that's fuse number 28, that 30 fuse, that's the one that you need to check for the crankshaft position sensor. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you guys next time.